Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to trade chart patterns like a professional and how we apply these exact strategies to both crypto and stocks that we actively trade and invest in. We'll also show you how you can get access to our 100-plus page, highly detailed pattern trading guide, which works alongside this video and acts like a complete cheat code for pattern traders. If you want to show your support, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss new videos. Let's start with the double top and double bottom pattern. A double top forms after an uptrend when price makes two equal highs. These highs create a resistance level, and the swing low between them forms what's called the neckline. From a price action standpoint, this pattern tells us that price failed to make a higher high, showing a loss of momentum from buyers. The double bottom is the opposite. It forms after a downtrend when price makes two equal lows. These lows act as support, the swing high between them becomes the neckline, and the failure to make a lower low shows that sellers are losing momentum. The triple top and triple bottom patterns work exactly the same way as the double versions, except price tests the same level 3 times instead of 2. The trading logic, confirmations, and entries remain the same, which is why we won't spend extra time repeating them. Next are trend continuation patterns. In a bullish continuation, price continues to make higher highs and higher lows, showing buyers remain in control. In a bearish continuation, price makes lower highs and lower lows, showing sellers remain in control. These patterns signal continuation of the existing trend rather than a reversal. Trend change patterns, on the other hand, signal a shift in control. In a bullish market, a trend change occurs when price fails to make a higher high and instead creates a lower low or a lower high. In a bearish market, the trend change happens when price fails to make a lower low and instead creates a higher high or a higher low. From a price action perspective, this shows momentum shifting from one side of the market to the other. One of the most well-known reversal patterns is the head and shoulders pattern. It starts with an uptrend, followed by a left shoulder, a higher high forming the head, and then a lower high forming the right shoulder. The swing lows create the neckline, and when that neckline breaks, the reversal is confirmed. A higher quality version of this pattern has a slanted neckline because price has already broken structure before the neckline break. The inverse head and shoulders works the same way in a downtrend. We also use triangles, channels, and wedges as part of our strategy. These patterns come in multiple variations, including ascending, descending, and symmetrical triangles, rising and falling channels, and rising and falling wedges. One of the most important things to understand is that patterns are areas, not perfect shapes. Markets are imperfect, and if you wait for picture-perfect textbook patterns, you'll miss most high-quality trades. The foundation of trading these patterns is simple. Trade in the direction of the break. When a pattern breaks in the same direction as the main trend, it signals trend continuation. When it breaks in the opposite direction, it signals a potential reversal. Traders can choose to enter on the breakout or wait for a pullback, depending on their trading style and risk tolerance. Finally, it's important to understand that breakout entries and pullback entries both work, but they require different stop-loss placement and risk management. This is why our pattern trading guide exists. It breaks down every pattern variation in detail and shows exactly where to enter, where to exit, and where to place your stop-loss. Information that simply can't all fit into one video. If you enjoyed this video and want to support the channel, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let us know in the comments what topics you want us to cover next.